Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. In this video on Shetcoiner website, I'm going to talk about how can you use Metamask wallet. As you know about the previous video, I was talking about how can you create a wallet and how can you do that. So now we're going to talk about receiving a coin, buying a coin, sending a coin in this wallet, and we will talk about every situation that you will use this wallet. So the first section that we want to know about is about the account part. In this part you have the wallet address that you can click on it, and as you know, you will copy the wallet address and you can use it in every other place that you want. For example, you want to receive currency like Ethereum, Bitcoin, or any other coins, and you can use this address to receive a coin or any other tokens that you want, and you will send it to another person to use it. And if you use other accounts in this wallet, you can make a distinguish from different wallets with account name, for example, account number 1, number 2, and other parts that you can add in this wallet. Another section is about the Ethereum, the blockchain that you use, and as I told you before, you can change it on the right section. For example, Ethereum mainnet, Arbitrum one, and any other blockchain that you can use. And in the previous video, I was talking about a website that it is really useful for you if you want to add another blockchain. So there's nothing to talk about it. We have three sections that you can use it. For example, if you want to buy a currency through MetaMask wallet, you can use it. For example, Coinbase Pay will help you, and you can buy Ethereum through Coinbase Pay. Another part is about Transact, and MoonPay will help you to buy through your bank account, and you can buy currency in this way. Another part is about sending currency, cryptocurrency or any other tokens that you have in your wallet. For example, you have a coin that it is based on Ethereum blockchain, and you will click on send, and after that you will paste the wallet address that you received before from the person that want to receive this amount of money, crypto from yours, and you will paste it in this place. Okay. And swap is about when you have a currency, cryptocurrency in your wallet, and you want to convert it to another section. Okay, there is a problem that I will close it. Swap is about the time that you want to convert the currency, cryptocurrency that you have in your wallet to another one. For example, you have Ethereum and you want to change it to another currency that you have. So that's the reason you can use this spot. Another section is about assets that you can see anything that you have, and activity is about the transaction history that you had it before, and you can check it in this place. There is another section, need help, contact MetaMask support. If you have any problem, you can use MetaMask support, but please remember that if you want to solve your problem, give a second, sorry. If you want to solve your problem, there is something that a robot in MetaMask support will help you, but you can answer in a bad way to this website, and after that you will be in touch with someone as a real person, So if you have a specific problem, the thing you need to care about it is that click on MetaMask support, but don't answer clearly, okay? And after a while you will be in touch with a real person, and you can any question that you have, remember that. And another part is this menu, and you can view account on Etherscan. That's a website that you can check it out, anything that's happened to your wallet, account details, and connected websites that is not important. There is nothing to talk about it, but there is a profile section that you have. You can create another account, import another account, connect hardware wallet. For example, if you have a ledger, you can connect it from this way, support and settings section. In settings sections, there are uh, some different parts that you need to know about it. For example, the theme, you can change it, and nothing else. About the language, if you want to change your language in your own, I mean your mother tongue, and nothing else. That's all. Okay, so if you have any other question, I would like to help you and answer your questions. So you can ask your questions in our website. You can send us an email if you want, or you can leave your comment in the section below. And I would like to help you and solve your problem as soon as possible. Thank you.